Welcome to Wild Quad's Test Lab. Now, my name's Rushy, and this whole thing was the idea of Billy Wild. Billy, as a lot of you will know, is a fairly private kind of guy, so we won't see him on screen. And he said to me, Rushy, what I want you to do is for you to find a couple of blokes and put this thing together for me. So here we are. Now, we'd planned to actually get a studio, film studio with lights and cameramen and makeup ladies and all that sort of stuff, and do the whole thing in a very professional way. But we thought, bugger it, we'll do it in the shed. So here we are. And here we are in the paddock. Look at me, it's big.
Oh, we're filming. Hey, I'm Josh, also known as ACFPV on Facebook. Now my job here is to test quads to their limit, make sure they can put up with the punishment that we're all going to give them. As you can see, I've already got 4 stuck in the tree. I'm sure I can get another 5 or 6 stuck up in there by the end of today. So let's see how we go.
G'day, my name is Pablo, and my job here is to program speedies, test speedies, bench test, what else? Solder things, give advice to my colleagues even when they may not want it, tell them when they're wrong, tell them when they're right, and have fun, and hopefully I discover some things that shock people, hopefully, including myself.
The other hot topic at the moment, of course, is batteries. Personally, what do you think about batteries? I mean, do they make that much of a difference?
Oh, definitely, yeah. The difference between a lower C rating or brand that exaggerates a lot and a good battery can be night and day, sorry. Yeah, it just makes a massive difference. And you may not notice on a setup that has low current draw, and if you're just a bit of a hover around cruising type flyer and you don't have a real demanding setup, you may not notice, but on other setups with high throttle you will definitely notice the difference.
Look, Pabs, I think that there's some great stuff going to come out of this, and I'm pretty excited about what we're going to do over the next 12 months. So we'll look forward to seeing you and catching up as you sort of head down over the bench. You've got some good equipment, and I think it'll be fantastic looking into the future.
Yep, it's going to be great. I'm going to have a ball.
So now you've met the crew. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any of the fantastic stuff that we're going to be doing over the coming months. Now, our first one is the Great ESC Shootout. Now, in this one, we bring you lots of really interesting information, and there's a twist at the end. But I'm not going to tell you what happened. So, until we see you again at the ESC Shootout, it's cheers from me.